Hello guys, welcome to the MJS channel. In this video, I want to give a tutorial about how to install and set up a Wi-Fi router. TP-Link brand model Archer C24 AC750. Under this router, there are specifications and the password that you will use later, guys. On the back of this router, there is a reset button, 4 LAN ports, 1 WAN port, and socket for power supply, guys. Okay guys, let's get straight to the tutorial. First, you press and hold the reset button, guys. Hold the reset button until the LED flashes, guys. If it's flashing like this, it's a sign that the router is in factory default mode, guys. The next step is to connect this Wi-Fi router to your laptop or cell phone. For configuration, guys. If you use a laptop, you can connect using an Ethernet cable or wireless or Wi-Fi, guys. If you use wireless, you can see the password and network name under the router for you to log in, guys. Make sure the laptop is connected, guys. If it is connected like this, open your browser, guys. You type http://tplinkwifi.net. If it's like this, you will be asked to create a new password, guys. Make sure you make the admin password easy for you to remember, guys. You also fill in the password confirmation according to the one above, guys. After that, you click Let's Get Started, guys. If it's like this, you're already on the main menu, guys. You choose the time zone according to your country, guys. If you feel it's appropriate, click Next, guys. Select connection type. Select dynamic IP, click Next, guys. Click Next again, guys. In this menu, you can change the network name and password according to your wishes, guys. And this router has two wireless networks, namely 4G and 5G, guys. I will change the network name and password, guys. I changed the name of the 2.4 GHz network to unit69_extension, guys. And I changed the password like this, guys. And I changed the name of my 5G network like this, guys. I made the same password for both, guys. Click Next, guys. Click Next again, guys. Congratulations, you have finished setting up this router, guys. Let's try login, guys. Let's look for the network that we just created, guys. This one, guys. I will enter the password, guys. Click Enter. Now this laptop has been successfully connected to the router network, guys. Okay guys, I think that's enough for this tutorial. Because you have watched this video, I say thank you, guys. Watch my other videos, guys.